Hello everyone, in this video we will deploy a Spring Boot API on Render. By the end of this video, you will learn how you can host your Spring Boot APIs for free on Render. If you're ready, let's dive in. Here you can see my Spring Boot app on the screen. First things first, we need to create a Docker file on the root of the project. You can find the source code of this file in the description. Don't forget to change FamilyHub 001 snapshot.jar according to the name of your jar file. We're done with the project. Now we will deploy it on Render. In order to do that, you need a Render account. You can sign up on Render by clicking the link in the description. Now let's click on Deploy Web Service. One of the coolest features of deploying on Render is that it automatically deploys your apps when you commit to a branch that you choose. I choose my project from the list of my GitHub repositories. If you want to use your GitHub repositories, you need to authorize Render to see your GitHub repositories. I'm choosing the region of the server somewhere in Europe since I'm in Europe. However, you can choose some other locations depending on your target users to minimize the possible latencies. Choose free for the instance type. One of the drawbacks of the free instance is that it automatically spins off due to inactivity of 15 minutes. You can ping your app every 15 minutes to overcome this issue. Then click on Deploy Web Service. You need to be patient here since it may take a few minutes. If you did everything correct until now, you won't have a problem. Okay, now our service is live. Let's test it. I have a ping endpoint to test the API health. I copy the URL and send a request to the API. Everything works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.